Hello. So I want to update the feed rate for my 3D printer. Right now it's at 40 millimeters per second. So gonna go in and figure out how to change the Z-axis, raise the platform, lower the platform. Looking to get about 100 millimeters or about 4 inches between the ejector head and the platform. Uh, then it's just a simple time study. So you're going in. Once you get that 100 millimeters, you go in and you can start to actuate the extruder, which I'm showing you right here. Utilities, going in, and basically you're loading the right ejector, and as you load it, it shoots out the plastic. Hitting the button again ejects some more plastic. Right now I'm just showing you how it works. Okay, so now time for the time study. Just gonna hit the button and see how many seconds it takes from the tip of the ejector till the time it hits the platform. I did it 5 or 6 times, and the average time was about 3.7, 3.8 seconds. And then how you calculate the feed rate is you take the 100 millimeters and you divide by the time to get the millimeters per second. And so I took the 100 millimeters divided by 3.8 seconds, and I got about 26 millimeters per second. So that's the new feed rate that I programmed into the G code, into replicator G for the G code generation. Just running a few more. They're not, the consistency here wasn't really good. But 26 millimeters per second is much better than the 40 that was the standard set by the machine from the factory. Okay, so here I have replicator G up. I've changed the parameters, the feed rate to 25. I've actually slowed down the move speed too, down to 25. So we'll see how much it helps print quality. Thank you, and I hope this helps.